What's going on everyone? Lumiere log 10. My name's Joshua Kirk, this is Tim Williams, and today we are both wearing stripes.
Oh, I thought you were going in for the high five.
This is going to be the quickest log ever because we have 15 minutes to film this, but before we get into that, let's roll the intro.
Wait, can we do a celebratory high five because we've hit 10 logs? We're super sorry about the last log, guys. I was super out of focus and it probably looked like your eyes were going cross-eyed most of the time. Hopefully this one's a little bit more pleasurable to watch. For those of you who are watching our socials and being avid followers, we thank you and we love how much you support us and get behind us on our socials. We have dropped off a little bit and we do apologize. We've been working in the business, but we're just trying to structure ourselves and be able to delegate more roles and responsibilities.
When work comes in and when things get busy, it's obviously hard to maintain our personal brand while we're working in the business, so it's just a challenge that we have to face every day. So we wanted to chat about a piece of software that we use all the time here at Lumiere, and it's called Studio Ninja. Initially, this software came out to the photography market to help manage the workflows of wedding photographers. It's a fairly new piece of software, but it's super powerful, and we use it for invoicing, quoting, and contracts.
Contracts are really important, so to be able to have the ease and efficiency of sending a contract out and having it signed online at the other end is super important. One of the things that have kept us on board with Studio Ninja is their exceptional customer service, but also their development of new products and releases within the software itself. It is growing and is turning into just a really robust, awesome piece of software that helps us and many other thousands of photographers around the world.
The co-founders Chris and Ioana are doing an epic job at maintaining the software and listening to their users. At the moment, we're using it to send out contracts to clients, send out estimates and quotes. An awesome feature is it integrates with Xero directly and also Stripe, so we can send out credit card online payments for clients, which some people prefer.
Gonna interrupt you there, guys. We have a sweet little promo code that we can give you for $5 off your monthly subscription. Pop that in when you check out on Studio Ninja and you get yourself a discount. Maybe go buy yourself a coffee.
So we've addressed the elephant in the room, which is the stripes, but we haven't addressed the elephant behind the camera. Come on, say hi. That hand belonged to someone else other than Tim and I.
He has come on board. He's giving us a couple of days a week, which is awesome. Help us get more content into the eyes of you people and into the brains of your heads.
You'll probably see more of him coming up.
Can we give him a pseudonym like El Guapo? El Guapo.
So yes, we have taken on an intern 2 days a week. So we're hoping to be more efficient with these logs and stay on our target of 1 a week.
That's Lumiere log number 10 coming at you. This is a high five for number 10. And yeah, that's a decade of...
No, it's not.
We'll be back at you hopefully next week with log number 11. Stay tuned. I'm Tim Williams. This is Joshua Kirk. Peace out.